In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage matrices using Google Docs, whether you're working on math equations, algebra, or scientific projects. Mastering the use of matrices in Google Docs can significantly enhance your document's clarity and presentation. Let's start with the basics. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. If you haven't already, log into your Google account. This step ensures that all your edits and documents are saved within your Google Drive, allowing you to access them from anywhere. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll want to create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add your matrix. If you're starting from scratch, click on the blank document option to begin. If you're working with an existing file, just navigate to it and open. Next, to insert a matrix, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab in the menu. From the drop-down list, select Table. This will allow you to choose the dimensions for your matrix. For example, if you're looking to create a 3x3 matrix, simply drag your mouse to highlight 3 rows and 3 columns, then click to insert it into your document. Now that your table is in place, you can begin populating it with numbers or symbols depending on your needs. Just click inside each cell and type in the necessary content. If you want your matrix to look clean and organized, you might want to adjust the border size or color. To do this, right-click on your table, navigate to Table Options, and make your preferred adjustments. Additionally, center aligning your text can give your matrix a more polished and professional appearance. If you're dealing with mathematical operations or symbols, it's important to use the built-in equation editor. To access this, return to the Insert menu and choose Equation. A small equation toolbar will appear, which is incredibly useful for inserting complex mathematical operations or symbols. When you click on Equation, a new toolbar appears that provides quick access to scientific notation and symbols. If you need to include a matrix through this method, look for the Math Operations menu on the toolbar. Once there, select the Matrix option. This tool will automatically provide you with placeholder brackets where you can fill in your numbers or variables as needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily insert and customize matrices in your Google Docs, making your documents more dynamic and informative. Whether you're dealing with straightforward data entry or more complex equations, using these features effectively can make your documentation much more robust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.